Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from the Volkswagen Van Centre in Lancashire, and today I'll be taking you around this vehicle. This is the Volkswagen Transporter T32 SportLine. It is a 2023 registered model and comes with a 2-litre diesel engine and automatic transmission. It's also finished in the stunning pure grey paintwork and offers the excellent body kit of the SportLine trim. On the front you'll find LED headlamps with the dynamic range control, offering automatic activation too. 18-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels give the car an even sportier look. And around to the rear you'll find the rear view camera helping to manoeuvre the vehicle. Inside you have the tailgate with the power lashing rings for the load restraints, as well as the sliding side door here allowing easy access. You do also have ambient roof lighting as well. Making our way into the front on the door card, you've got plenty of storage pockets, the electrically adjustable folding and heated door mirrors with the electric window controls, the lighting behind the steering wheel there. You can see you've got the lovely modern interior as well as the SportLine upholstery with the art velour and leather styling. On the steering wheel you can find the adaptive cruise control as well as the volume for the media. You've also got the next and back buttons on the right, including controls for your digital cockpit display. Taking a look on here, you've got plenty of information available, including all of your driving data down the centre. You can also flick through various other tabs as well, including assist systems, navigation, audio, telephone, and the vehicle status. On the main media system itself, starting off with the radio, you've got FM/DAB offering stations from all across the country, as well as AM radio, and you've also got the Bluetooth and USB connectivity for personal media streaming. Bluetooth can also be used to take hands-free calls on the go. You've also got voice control on the system, so you can activate that with the steering wheel controls to navigate nice and easily. Speaking of navigating, you've got a fantastic navigation system, allowing you to get to unfamiliar destinations with ease and even showing you nearby points of interest. You can also integrate your smartphone with the App Connect function, so you can use some of your smartphone's applications directly through the screen. You've also got the car settings and options here, including the more detailed trip computer information. The rear view camera gives you a nice clear view behind with those parking guidelines, as well as front and rear parking sensors for an audible sound when close to obstructions. Moving down from here now, you've got the climate controls, which are super simple to use, as well as the heated front seats to keep nice and toasty. Just behind that you'll find your automatic DSG gear stick, and to the left you have got a 12-volt cup holder and 2 USB-C charging points or connection points to the system. For more information visit the Swansway Motor Group website or give us a call on 01772 508 228. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you soon.